In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reply all messages in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set Reply All as your default, so you don't miss anyone in group conversations. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook site from the results. This gets you into Outlook quickly and safely. If you're asked to sign in, just use your usual account credentials. Once Outlook is open, look toward the upper left. Click File. This takes you into the application's control area where broader settings live. Next, choose Settings. Different Outlook interfaces label this slightly differently, but you're aiming for the place where you can adjust mail preferences. If you don't see a file menu, you may be in the web version. In that case, look for Settings from the gear icon in the top corner and continue from there. Inside Settings, find and click Mail. This narrows the options specifically to how your email behaves, which is what we need. From there, select Compose and Reply. This section controls how new messages and responses are created, including your default reply behavior. Scroll until you see the area labeled Reply or Reply All. This is where Outlook lets you choose what the reply button does by default. Selecting Reply All means that when you hit reply on a message with multiple recipients, Outlook will automatically include everyone on the thread. That's helpful for team updates, project discussions, or any situation where leaving someone off could cause confusion. If you prefer to keep individual replies private most of the time, you can leave it on Reply and manually choose Reply All when needed. But today, we're setting Reply All as the default. Click Reply All to activate that choice. Before you leave, make sure to save your change. Look for the Save option in the Settings panel and click it. Without saving, the new default won't stick, and you'll be back to reply on the next message. A couple of quick tips as you use this setting. Even with Reply All set as default, you can always switch to Reply on a case-by-case basis. Just choose it from the message toolbar when needed. And always take a second to review the To and CC lines before sending, especially if the thread includes external contacts or sensitive topics. That's it. You've set Outlook to use Reply All by default, keeping everyone in the loop with fewer clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.